Hello, kids! It's Ava. I welcome you to our colorful world of creativity. In this video, we have something extra special in store. Our little artist, the amazing Ophelia, has crafted a masterpiece featuring mittens and the magical letter M. Let the fun begin. Dive into the canvas, my friends. Ophelia's playground is a burst of colors. And this color is... Can you guess? It's a blue color. It's like Mittens is dancing in a sea of blue. Can you imagine the adventures they're having together? Every stroke is like a whisper in the canvas breeze. Look at her brushes. Big strokes, little dances. Mittens is getting ready for an adventure in this colorful sky. It's like she is talking to Mittens in a secret language. A sea of blues surrounds Mittens in this enchanting world. Applause for Ophelia and yourself, the artists in the making. Every brushstroke is a note in the melody of joy. Who loves colors? We do. Let's dive into a world painted in all colors. Mittens is here, and he's as excited as all of us to join this color party. Can you spot the hidden M? Ophelia is playing hide-and-seek with letters. Big smiles, big strokes. That's how you all can paint the world. Give a high five to the screen if you love this colorful creation. A big thank you to all the little artists. You're the real stars of this show. Can you guess this color now? Yay! It's a light blue color. I just love this color. How about you? Now, she's coloring the light blue color in the other hand. And this color is light blue color. And there you have it, kids. It's a world where colors and letters come to life. Give a round of applause for our little artist extraordinaire. Oh, and here comes Mittens. Ophelia is carefully outlining the letter M. That's the big capital M. just like Mittens' name. See how she pays attention to details? We're swimming in a sea of blues. Blue, light blue, and sky blue, a trio of enchantment. Mittens is exploring the shades like a true adventurer. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and please take care and keep appreciating Ophelia's work. Also, love your parents' kids. We also love what we bring to you every time. See you next time.